Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Venmo. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, does Venmo work in Africa? I've gotten a lot of questions about this recently, so I thought it would be a good topic to cover in a video. I've also done some research on this topic, so I'm confident that I can provide you with some accurate and helpful information. So, let's get started. What is Venmo? Before we get into whether or not Venmo works in Africa, let's first talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment platform that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone some money. Venmo is available in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Does Venmo work in Africa? The short answer is no, Venmo does not work in Africa. Venmo is not available in any African countries. This is because Venmo is not regulated by any African financial authorities. However, there are few alternatives to Venmo that you can use in Africa. I'll talk more about those later in this video. Why doesn't Venmo work in Africa? There are a few reasons why Venmo doesn't work in Africa. One reason is that Venmo is not regulated by any African financial authorities. This means that Venmo is not subject to the same rules and regulations as other financial institutions in Africa. Another reason is that Venmo is not available in many African countries. This is because Venmo is a relatively new company, and it has not yet expanded its operations to many African countries. Finally, Venmo is not compatible with many African bank accounts. This means that you may not be able to link your African bank account to your Venmo account. What are some alternatives to Venmo that I can use in Africa? There are a few alternatives to Venmo that you can use in Africa. Here are a few of the most popular options. PayPal. PayPal is a global payment platform that is available in many African countries. You can use PayPal to send and receive money from friends and family, as well as make online purchases. M-Pesa. M-Pesa is a mobile money platform that is popular in many African countries. You can use M-Pesa to send and receive money, pay bills, and buy airtime. WorldRemit. WorldRemit is a money transfer service that allows you to send money to friends and family in Africa. You can use WorldRemit to transfer money to bank accounts, mobile wallets, or cash pickup locations. Which alternative is right for you? The best alternative for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. If you need to send money to a specific country, you should choose a service that supports that country. If you need to send money to a bank account, you should choose a service that allows you to do that. Venmo does not work in Africa. However, there are a few alternatives that you can use to send and receive money from friends and family. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time. I hope this helps.